Namaste. Touch the leg. I am a Tibetan musician. My name is Kharag Penpa. I'm really very happy to perform here with the Dhaar Festival. Thank you so much for inviting me. Land of snow. Tibet is surrounded by snow mountains. Today I chose this song because of Dhaar Festival. Tibet is roof of the world. Also, Himalaya is also roof of the world, I think. We have very connection with the mountains, and also rivers and rivers. So also our culture and also our religion. So this is which I gonna play these songs is very in my heart. Connect with our and yours, me and you. Land of snow. Thank you.